Hello and welcome to the Tech Nuggets video channel. Today I'd like to talk about the question that almost everyone would be asking maybe several times in their lifetime. And that is a question of what smartphone to buy to replace your old cell phone. So if you ask me what smartphone you should buy, I would suggest that you either go for a budget Apple or a mid-range Samsung phone. Why? Number one, you're assured of enough operating system updates for at least 3 generations and at least 3 years of security updates. Number two, Apple's monolithic approach to product development results in a fairly consistent and robust approach to security against scams or malware threats. Samsung's Knox security platform assures a strong protection against current security threats. Number three, Apple and Samsung are leaders in incorporating new and innovative approaches to smartphone technology. And number four, both manufacturers make resilient products that last a long time and are not easily broken. By using the best materials as smartphone components, you can rest assured that your phone will last for a minimum of 3 years. So you don't have to buy a new phone every year, which can give you a good amount of monetary savings. I have been watching a lot of smartphone reviews for the past several months in an effort to answer my own question of which smartphone I should buy to replace my old cell phone. As a result, I have come to the conclusion that an Apple budget phone or a Samsung mid-range phone would best suit my needs. So if you're lazy to make your own research or have no time to read or watch reviews from trustworthy and knowledgeable experts, then follow my suggestion. You can't go wrong with getting either an Apple budget phone or a mid-range Samsung phone. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to meeting you again in my next video.